We've all been there, happily driving along when suddenly you're hit with torrential rain unleashed like a power washer from the skies. In those intense white-knuckle moments, you lose visibility. The car in front of you disappears, and the rain's roar silences your music. You flip that windshield wiper stalk to the max speed, and let the wipers go to work, flinging off water in a mad frenzy. Almost immediately, visibility returns, as does the circulation to your fingers. Indeed, visibility is a driver's most important tool. There are numerous options for cheap windshield wiper blade, every with specific capabilities, blessings, and charges. I conducted a ton of research, studied a ton of opinions, and positioned a list of the top low-cost windshield wiper blade from sincere manufacturers to help you make a knowledgeable desire. Following significant research, I found that these merchandise are pretty useful for individuals like you. If you need to know about the price and different statistics, make certain to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Rain-X Latitude Water Repellency. The Rain-X Latitude Water Repellency is our pick for the best wiper blade. First and foremost, the Rain-X rain repellent is legit. This hydrophobic coating on the blades works very well and improved visibility immediately. We watch beads of water slide right off the windshield, which was especially helpful during light rain. The Latitude water repellency was also quiet, left no streaks, and the price point is attractive. The only knock we have is the locking clasp on the hook-style adapter is very hard to open. We had to pry it with a screwdriver. But hey, that means it'll hold the blade on securely. For excellent wiper blades that won't break the bank, these are the best choice. Patented water repellent formula. This 2-in-1 wiper blade plus rain repellent applies patented Rain-X water repellent directly to your windshield, both clearing and repelling. The element superior driving visibility and safety. Watch water magically bead up and roll off your windshield while you drive, providing you with superior all-weather driving visibility, safety, and comfort. Easy installation and universal fit. The Rain-X universal adapter is easy to use and fits 96% of vehicles. Scan the QR code on the back of the package for installation videos. Advanced beam wiper blade technology provides uniform pressure points along the length of the blade, allowing it to hug the curvature of the windshield for a smooth clean wipe. Ultimate all-weather performance designed to clear your windshield in extreme weather conditions, such as ice, snow, and sleet, delivering longer-lasting, superior wipe performance. Number 2. Trico Flex. For cheaper wipers that still perform, the Trico Flex did very well during our testing. They lack any sort of rain repellent, but remove water well regardless. We didn't see any streaking or chattering, and installation was quite easy. The Flex wiper blades lack any sort of locking clasp, but we didn't notice any looseness during operation. For the price, you're getting a solid no-frills wiper blade that'll adequately remove water from your windshield. Trico Flex advanced flexible beam blades are an upgrade from conventional windshield wiper blades to premium beam blade wiper technology at a reasonable price. Trico Flex has been proven to perform over 1.5 million cycles in all weather conditions. The blades are designed to fit a variety of vehicles and are available in lengths ranging from 13 to 32. Number 3. Goodyear Assurance. With so many different wiper arm styles out there, including good adapters is essential for wiper blade companies. We found that Goodyear's adapters were the best and easily interchangeable. The blade isn't bad either, no streaking or chattering, and they worked well on low, medium, and high. There's also a locking clasp as a bonus. If you've got a funky style wiper arm, this is your best bet to find the correct fit. Response edge technology allows joint springs to supply the tension needed to conform perfectly to the windshield. Pivoting joints adjust to different windshield curvatures, which means an optimal distribution of pressure. Universal adapter system provides coverage for 99% of vehicles on the market, more than top competitors. Integrated Repelmax water repellent coating is distributed on the windshield with every wipe, which means improved visibility for day, and especially nighttime driving. Number 4. OEM Wiper Blades. If you really want to skip the headache of swapping adapters, figuring out sizes, and questionable brands, just get a set of OEM, original equipment manufacturer, wiper blades. We recommend calling your vehicle brand's dealership and ordering a set from there, but you can also find a bunch on Amazon. They're tailored to fit your exact vehicle, and installation is a breeze. The only downside: OEM wiper blades can get expensive, depending on the vehicle. But for ease of installation, you can't beat them. J-Hook, 9.3 and 9.4, M-Quality Auto Windshield Wipers Blades with 1-year warranty. AA grade natural rubber from Malaysia, memory steel spring. Conforms to windshield curve, make your way forward bright. Aerodynamic shape eliminates collection of debris around blade. OEM quality 2PCS wiper blades, 1 driver side wiper blade 22 inches, 1 passenger side wiper blade 17 inches. Number 5. Trico Diamond. The Trico Diamond is a good wiper blade, but it doesn't really shine in any one particular area. The adapters swap out without much struggle, it's quiet, doesn't leave streaks, and removes water well on all 3 speeds. The Platinum also comes in a pair pack, which makes the price seem a bit more reasonable. It does everything you need a wiper blade to do. The Platinum is a solid wiper blade, just not the best. Diamond beam blade exerts more pressure for superior clean and wiping edge-to-edge performance. Wind-resistant aerofoil of up to 135 miles per hour keeps your blades intact, so you have a protective and safer view throughout use. Enjoy hassle-free installation within minutes with our windshield wipers. Diamond wipers are compatible with various arm types, so you do not have to worry about seeking another replacement. Just connect, install, and wipe. Made with high-glide treated rubber, our passenger and driver windshield wiper provide a sleek and shiny clean without the chatter and noise of traditional wipers. Keep your windshield looking fresh and transparent without the drag. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below to help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.